Why hello humans! So when working with computer images, computer graphics, sometimes the coordinate systems are alien to what you're used to. So for example, in all the math that you've ever done in school, the origin was always assumed to be right in the middle. This is 0, 0. Going right is increasing a number on the x-axis, and going left is decreasing a number on the x-axis. But I want to talk about the y-axis because that's the main thing that's going to change. So in this traditional system, going up is just increasing by a positive number on the y-axis. And then going down is decreasing a number, alright? So if we plot the point 3, 5, we go right, 3, and then up, 5. Of course, this is pretty obvious to you guys, but I want to say that now when working with computer images, it's flipped. So now the top left is the origin, and the y-axis is inverted. So if we were to plot the point 3, 5, we're going to go 3 to the right. The x-axis remains the same, but we're going to go down 5 this time. So right where my mouse is, right where this O is, that's where the point is going to be plotted. If we want to translate this back to the traditional coordinate system, well, it's going to be right over here. It's going to be 3, -5. That's where the point is when we translate it back, right? So the y-axes are inverted. You're just going to have to get used to that. And I've created a sort of small game to help you guys with that. So if you go to this website, let me help F11, howtocode.pages.dev/images, top left origin practice with plotting points. It's called howtocode.pages.dev/plot_point. I will leave this in the description. And it's just a silly little exercise to get you used to plotting points. So we have a point right there. So it looks like on the x-axis, we go right. That looks like 190, so I'm just going to enter that in. And the y looks like it's 50. Take a wild guess. Submit. I'm way off in the x-axis, but I'm getting closer in the y-axis, so we're just going to keep adjusting. So remember, going up is now decreasing on the y-axis, and going down is now positive. So again, this is to get you used to it. So just, go through 5 of these, see if you can get the red dot onto the green point, and it'll just keep resetting. So let me try to do these in the fastest way possible. I may need to speed this video up, but here we go. So 190, that's over here. I need a decrease in x. So let's say 180, and I need a decrease in y also. So let's say 40. All right, getting closer. Let's say 175, and then 39. All right, ever so closer. You may need to zoom in. 38, and then 174. Right there. So it resetted the problem. Try to do these a little on your own just to get used to the flow of how the y-axis is now inverted, and you got to remember that increasing y means going down, and decreasing y now means going up. Again, this is contrary to what you've learned in school. Alright? So with that out of the way, we're going to do an exercise in Racket that will also utilize the top left origin system. Alright? So it's called 1.2, place image center. So in a lot of 3D shooting games, there's a plus in the center, and that's called a crosshair to help you with your aim. And your job, say you got hired on the team, is to just stick the crosshair on the center. Alright? So your result should look like this. We're doing a simplified example. You can imagine behind this white background is the 3D game, and this is the crosshair, right? So this is the starter file. If you click this, it will lead you to the answer, but let's see if you can do this on your own. So you can click this download right here and save it to a directory somewhere. I created a folder called exercise, which I will save it into, and open it up with DrRacket. All right. So go to File, Open, and just navigate to the file. All right, crosshair starter, RKT, and here we go. Looks like BSL is not selected for some reason, so make sure that's there. All right, so we're gonna hit run and see what's gonna go on. So problem, use place image to put a crosshair, that is a text of plus, on the center of this empty scene. So this plus is right here, alright, and the empty scene is just this rectangle with an outline. That is 200 in width and 100 in height. But what the heck does place image do? Well, we can just type in place-image, right click and search, and it will bring us to the place in the documentation. Let's wait for this to load. Alright, here it is, from to HTTP image. Alright, so place image. Places image onto scene with its center at the coordinates x, y, and crops the resulting image so it has the same size as the scene. The coordinates are relative to the top left of the scene, so that's what we care about, right? So here's an example, and here's what it takes. It takes as its first argument an image, two numbers, right, in x and y. Reals are just numbers, and another image. So see, you can use this function to place a plus onto the center of this empty scene, alright? So, pause the video and see if you guys can beat me to the solution. I'm going to go over spoilers in 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so I'm going to assume that you guys took a good swing at it, and let's go over the solution. So I'm just going to space out my code a little. And place image takes as its first argument an image. So let's just do that. That's going to be the crosshair. So there we go. Next are two numbers, an x and a y, relative to the top left of the scene. The scene is the last parameter we plug in, and that scene is an image. So let's just do the two numbers first. So what's half of 200? Well, that's just 100, and half of 100 is 50, and then it takes another image, which is this empty scene, this rectangle with an outline. Let's paste that in there, hit run, and we get our answer of the plus right in the center of the screen, right? The crosshair. So these two come from these, so let me just comment those out because they're getting in the way. Alright, so another valid solution to this question, this problem, is we can have the computer do that division for us. So why don't we just divide 200 by 2 and divide 100 by 2. Right? Hit run, and we get the same answer. Arguably, the solution is better because if we change the size of the image to something that's not easy to divide in our heads, say 5, 3, 2, and 2, 1, 1, alright? Well, I can't really do that in my head, but we can again just copy and paste these and have the computer do the division by 2 for us. Hit run, and if we expand the screen, well, it's still the plus in the center, right? Games usually allow you to expand and full screen and, you know, all that stuff. But that's about it for this one. This is about place image, getting used to the top left coordinate system, and yeah. Thank you for watching, human. If you wish to interact with more of your kind, join our Discord linked in the description or on the screen. If you want to aid in my quest for world domination, consider hitting the sub button. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you didn't. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, fire away below. Also, check out the annotations on screen for the next relevant video.